Welcome dear students. In last video we learned practice set 3.1. I think everyone write down all the sums in your notebook. Our today's topic is practice set 3.2. Very easy, very simple. We directly go to the question number 1 from the practice set 3.2. See, question first is use the given letters to write the answer. That means some information is given and that information we have to write by using the given letters. First one is there are 8 trees in the village lot. That means in a village there are 8 trees. If the number of trees increases every year by b, then how many trees will be there after x years? Dear student, originally there are 8 trees in a village. Every year number of trees increases by b. That means first year the trees will be a b. Second year it will be increases with 2b. It will be a third year, it is 3b. That means every year the number of trees are increases by b. Therefore, if we have to find out the number of trees after 2 years, then it will be a 2b. Now dear student, what is given? There are total 8 trees. After every year the number of trees will increases by b, and we have to find out the number of trees after x years. After x years, that means after 2 years what will be the number? It will be a 2b. Got it? After 3 years it is 2b, 3b, and after x year that means it will be a bx or xb. Therefore, see here. Now first of all, number of trees in village is a. Original trees are a. Every year number of trees increases by b. Therefore, after x years, number of trees increases by bx. I think all of you understand this. After x years, number of trees increases by bx. Therefore, total number of trees is equal to, these are the original trees, that is a, plus this bx. Therefore, total number of trees after x year, it will be a plus bx. This is important one. Now see the second one. What is given? See here. For the parade, there are y students in each row. All of you know that for the parade, students are arranged in a rows wise and column wise. Therefore, there are y students in each row and x such rows are formed. Then how many students are there for the parade in all? See, suppose there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 rows are there. How many rows are there? 3 rows. And how many columns are there? 5 columns are there. Now tell me total number of students. It will be a 5 3s are 15. Got it? Same way. See here. Y student in each row. Number of students in each row is equal to x. it is y, and such rows are formed. Number of rows is equal to x, therefore number of students is equal to xy. We just have to do the multiplication. Now see the third one, the tens and the unit place of two-digit number is m and n respectively. Now this question is related with two-digit number. All of you know the two-digit number. Suppose I write here 54. 54 is a two-digit number. This 4 is known as a unit place number, and this 5 is known as a 10 place number. And how this 54 is formed? It is 50 plus 4. This 50 means 5 plus 10 plus 5 into 10 plus 4. 5 into 10 it is 50 plus 4 it is 54. That means if we have to form the two-digit number, see here the number at the 10 place, it multiply with 10. Number of 10 place multiply with 10 plus number of digit at a unit place. In this way the two-digit number is formed. Now see, the 10 and unit place of the two-digit number is m and n respectively. Therefore we can say that the number at tens place is m, and the number at units place is n. Now which represent the two-digit number. Now see here we have to write the two-digit number. Therefore two-digit number is equal to, I just now told you that 10 into the number at the 10 place. The number at the 10 place is m plus number at the unit place. Therefore it is 10m plus n. This is the number at the two-digit number. I think everyone understood this, how to form this mathematical information. We have to convert it into the polynomial. This is a plus bx, it is xy, and it is 10m plus n. Now we have to start with the second question. Add the given polynomials. See the second question. Add the given polynomials. We have to do the addition of the polynomial. Dear student, see here. The first question, this is second one, and the third one is there. Now see here, we have to add these two polynomials. Directly we can write here in a first bracket x cube minus 2x square minus 9. This is the first polynomial. In that we have to add the second polynomial, that is 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. Now dear student, we have to make the addition of this, and for that addition what we have to do, we have to take the similar term together. Similar term together means here x cube is there, and the term having index 3 which is in the second polynomial, it is 5x cube. These are the similar term. Therefore we write here x cube plus this 5x cube. Then second term here it is minus 2x square. Write down this minus 2x square. We have to consider the sign also. Dear student, see here it is minus 2x square. Now the similar term, that means the term which have index as a 2. The index 2 term is not there, therefore leave that minus 2x square as it is. Now we have to consider this constant term, that is minus 9, and here it is constant term is a plus 9. Now dear students, see here 1, 2, 3. 3 terms in the first term, first polynomial. In second polynomial there are also 3 terms. Therefore total 6 terms are there. Here we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is one term is remaining. And which is the remaining term? That is 2x. We have to write here Now see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. That means each term we are writing here. Now see here, this is 1x cube plus this 5x cube. We have to make the addition, therefore it is 6x cube minus this 2x square as it is, minus 9 plus 9, dear student, it is 0, and this 2x as it is. Therefore 6x cube minus 2x square plus 2x, this is the addition of this polynomial, that is the final answer. Now see here, degree is a 3, here it is degree 3, we get the degree of the final answer, that is addition is also a x cube. Now see here, we have to see the next one. Now in this polynomial, two polynomials are given, this and this. We have to make the addition of this. First of all, we have to write it in bracket. Minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2. In that, we have to add 5m raised to 4 minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. As it is, we make the brackets. Now see here, first term is minus 7m raised to 4. Now find out the term which have the index 4 in the second polynomial. It is 5m raised to 4. Therefore we write here plus 5m raised to 4. Now second thing is plus 5m cube. Here it is 5m cube. The term having index 3 is minus 3m cube. Now see here, constant term is root 2. Therefore we write here root 2 as it is. Here it is minus 6. Now two terms are remaining. See here, total 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms are there. Here we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means two terms are remaining. Now which that two terms? 2m square plus 3m. Therefore we write it as it is, 2m square plus 3m. Now see here, minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m raised to 4. Both have the different sign, that we have to make the subtraction. Minus 7 plus 5, it is minus 2m raised to 4. 5m cube minus 3m cube. 5m cube and minus 5 minus 3, it is 2m cube plus root 2 minus 6 plus 2m square plus 3m. Here student, we can leave as it is, or we can arrange them in a descending order of their indices, that is in a standard form. Now this is the final answer. Now we have to see the third one. Third question is that is the addition. Here it is the third one. It is 2y square plus 7y plus 5, 3y plus 9 and 3y square minus 4y minus 3. Dear student, we have to do the addition of the three polynomials. Till now we make the addition of two polynomials. Here we have to use 3. Same way procedure is same, that 2y square plus 7y plus 5 plus 3y plus 9, that is second polynomial, plus here it is 3y square minus 4y minus 3. Dear student, we have to do the addition. Take the similar term. First term is 2y square. Now we write this 2y square. Now in a second polynomial, the term having index 2 is not there. See the third one. Here it is 3y square plus 3y square. Now see here plus second term, here it is 7y. Here it is plus 3y and here it is minus 4y. Now see here plus 5 plus 9 and minus 3. Dear student, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the terms are there. Now see here, 2y square plus 3y square, it is 5y square. Now see here, 7 plus 3, it is 10. 10 minus 4, it is plus 6y. Any doubt here? This 7 plus 3, it is 10. 10 minus 4y is equal to 6y. And 9 plus 5, it is 14. 14 minus 3, it is 11. Now dear student, this is our final answer. We add these three polynomials, we get this polynomial as a final answer. Very easy, very simple, very interesting. Now we have to start with the third question. See the question number third one. Subtract the second polynomial from the first. See dear students, subtract second polynomial from the first. We have to do the subtraction of the polynomial, but what is given? We have to subtract the second polynomial from the first. That means we have to write the first polynomial and from that we have to subtract. If it is subtract first polynomial from the second, then we have to write the second polynomial first. But here we have to subtract this second polynomial from the first. Therefore we write here x square minus 9x plus root 3 minus here minus 19x plus root 3 plus 7x square. Dear student, we have to do the subtraction. Therefore we have to write both the polynomial in a bracket and between that we have to put the minus sign. Now see here what to do. Same thing, we have to write here x square. Now the term having index 2, in a second polynomial it is 7x square, but now this plus 7x square will become minus 7x square because we are doing the subtraction. This minus sign changes this plus sign as a minus and therefore we write here x square minus 7x square. Now see here, next term is minus 9x and here this minus 19x is the similar term, but this minus 19x will become plus 19x. The sign will get changed. Now the third term is a plus root 3 and here it is minus root 3. Any doubt? I change this plus sign as a minus because this minus sign is there. Now see here, 1x square minus 7x square, that will be a minus 6x square. Minus 9x plus 19x, it is plus 10x and plus root 3 minus root 3, dear student, it is 0. Therefore the final answer is minus 6x square plus 10x. Very easy. One thing you have to remember, when we have to do the subtraction, we have to put the sign minus sign and we have to change the sign of every term of the second polynomial. Now see here second one. It is first bracket we have to write 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab minus 3ab minus 8ab square plus 2a square b. Same thing, we have to do the subtraction. It is 2ab square. Now ab square term, ab square, this is minus 8ab square. This minus, because of this minus, this will become plus 8ab square. Now see here plus 3a square b. See the difference, ab square and here it is a square b. Now this 2a square b will become minus 2a square b. A square b. This minus 4ab and this plus 3ab will become minus 3ab. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also total 6 terms are there. Now see here 2ab square plus 8ab square, it is 10ab square. 3a square b minus 2a square b, it is only a square b. And minus 4ab minus 3ab, it is minus 7ab. Now very simple, this is the subtraction. Now write down all this sum in your notebook. We have to start with the next sum, that is multiplication. Dear student, see the question number 4th one. What we have to do? We have to multiply the given polynomial. Very easy, very simple. See here. 2x, this is the first polynomial, and multiply with x square minus 2x minus 1. Now see here, it is monomial and this is trinomial. We have to multiply, therefore we have to write like this: 2x in bracket x square minus 2x minus 1. We have to multiply this polynomial with this, therefore we have to write it in bracket. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply this 2x with this x square, 2x with this 2x, and 2x with this minus 1. Therefore it is 2x into x square minus 2x into 2x minus 1 into 2x. That means I multiply this bracket. That means multiply each term of this bracket with this 2x. Therefore 2x into x square. Now dear student, while doing multiplication, remember one thing. Here 2x into x square. Here coefficient is 2 and here coefficient is a 1. 2 ones are 2. And what about this x? X. Index of this is a 1 and index of this is a 2. 2 plus 1, it is 3. Got it? Therefore it is 2x into x square is equal to 2x cube. Now see here, minus 2 into 2, it is 4. Same thing, x raised to 1, here at x raised to 1, it is x raised to 2. Very good. While doing multiplication, we have to make the addition. In the 8th standard, you learn about the rule of indices: a raised to n into a raised to n. That means if we have to do the multiplication and base are same, then we have to do the addition of indices, that is n plus m, that is m plus n. Same thing is there: 2x raised to 1, 2x raised to 1, 2 2s are 4, x raised to 1 into x raised to n, that is x raised to 2. Minus, we have to multiply with 1, then it will be a minus 2x. Minus 2x, this is the final answer. Now see the second. Here it is x raised to 5 minus 1 into x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Now dear student, while doing this multiplication, here it was monomial, here it is binomial. Therefore what we have to do? We have to multiply this x raised to 5 with this bracket x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Same way we have to multiply this minus 1 with this bracket x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Now see here, x raised to 5 into x cube plus x raised to 5 into 2x square, then plus x raised to 5 into 2, x raised to 5 into 2, minus. Now dear student, we have to multiply this minus 1 with x cube. It will be a minus x cube plus 2x square into minus 1, it is minus 2x square. Just we have to change the sign. It is plus 2 will become minus 2. Now dear student, do the multiplication. There 1, here it is 1, 1 ones are 1, and x raised to 5 into x raised to 3, that means x raised to 8. Very good. Now see here, 1 and here it is 2, 2 ones are 2, x raised to 5 into x raised to 2, it is x raised to 7. What we have to do? Yes, we have to do the addition. Now here 2x raised to 5 as it is. Now see here, minus x cube minus 2x square minus 2. Now dear student, there are no any similar term, therefore it will remain as it is. This is our final answer. Now go to the Next, the third one, 2y plus 1, this is the first polynomial, and now we have to multiply with this y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Now multiply this 2y with this y square minus 2y cube plus 3y plus 1 multiply with y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Now do the multiplication. This 2y into y square minus 2y cube into 2y minus 2y cube into 2y plus 3y into 2y. And here we have to multiply this with plus 1. See the difference. Here we multiply this polynomial with minus 1, and for multiplication of this we change the sign of every term. It is plus x cube, we write here minus x cube. Plus 2y square, we write here minus 2x square. And plus 2 we write here minus 2. Why? Because we are multiplying with minus 1. But here we are going to multiply with plus 1. Therefore it will remain as it is. Therefore we can write here y square minus 2y cube plus 3y as it is. Now do the multiplication of this. Coefficient is 2. Here it is 1. 2 ones are 2. Y raised to 1 and y raised to 2. It is y cube minus 2 2s are 4. Y cube and y raised to 1, it is y raised to 4. Plus 3y into 2y. 3 2s are 6. And y raised to 1, it is y square plus y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Now dear student, what we have to write? We have to write the similar term together. Now see here, 2y cube, here it is minus 2y cube, we write it similar term together. Now what is there? Minus 4y raised to 4. Is there any term of y raised to 4? No. Now see here, plus 6y square plus 1y square and plus 3y. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. All terms are there. Now see here, plus 2y square minus 2y square. It is 2 minus 2, it is 0. 0y cube means 0. Now 4y raised to 4. 6y square plus 1y square, it is 7y square plus 3y. Got it? See here, any doubt? These are the multiplication. Now dear student, we have to learn one more thing here. Now here we are doing the multiplication of these two polynomials. Now tell me degree of this polynomial. Degree of this polynomial is a 1, isn't it? Yes, maximum index of the term. Now here it is 3. And tell me what is the degree of our answer? It is 4 for this sum. Now see the second. Degree of this polynomial is a 5. Degree of this polynomial is a 3. And what is the degree of the final answer? It is 8. Now see the first one. Degree is 1. How much it is? 2. And what is the degree of this polynomial? It is 3. Can you observe one thing? Observe this and we will get one conclusion here. Now see here. We are doing the multiplication of these two polynomials. Degree of this polynomial is a 1. Degree of this polynomial is a 3. Make the addition. 3 plus 1. It is 4. Yes. Degree of the polynomial final answer is a 4. Here also. 5 plus 3 it is 8. Here also 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That means, dear student, from this we can make a general statement That means if we have to do the multiplication of the two polynomial, then what will be the degree of the final answer? Degree of the final answer will be the addition of the degree of these two polynomial. Addition of the degree of these two polynomial is the degree of the final answer. That means suppose here degree is 1, degree is 3, degree of the final answer is a 4. Got it? This is the one general statement you have to remember. It will be help us for the further sum. Now we completed here question number 4th one, and dear student, most important division of the two polynomials, how to do that we have to learn now. Dear student, we have to start with the question number 5th one. It is very important, and division of the two polynomials we have to learn here. And dear student, I will show very simple and easy method to do the division. I think in standard 8 you have learned this, but now you have to learn this carefully. Pay attention carefully. Very simple and easy method is there. Now see the question. Divide the first polynomial by second and write the answer in a form. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means here in the division, suppose we have to divide this 13 with 2. If we have to divide this 13 with 2, this we can write it like this. Here we have to write 13. That 13 is called as a dividend. Dividend. This 2 we have to write here. This is called as a divisor. And for division, what we have to see? In the table of 13, in the table of 2, there is a 13. No. Then in the table of 2, the number which is less than 13 is there, and that is 12. That 12 means 2 6 are 12. Therefore we write here 6. It is called as a quotient, and 13 minus 12 it is known as a 13 minus 1 it is 1, 13 minus 12 it is 1, and it is called as a remainder. These are the basic concept, basic. Now see here, dividend. Dividend is 13, is 13. Divisor. Divisor is a 2, into quotient is a 6, and remainder is a 1. Now see here, 6 2s are 12, plus 1 it is 13. Got it? Therefore, see, this is about the numbers. Now same thing we have to see here. We have to divide first polynomial with the second one. We have to divide first polynomial with second one. That means we have to, first polynomial is our dividend and second polynomial is our divisor. Now see here, again I told you that here x cube minus 64, we have to divide this polynomial with this. Therefore x cube minus 64 is called as a dividend, x minus 4 is called as a divisor. Now see here, we have to see first of all, this dividend is in a index form or not. Dividend is in a index form or not. If it is not, then first of all we have to write it in an index form. Now see, tell me, what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is, yes, very good, it is 3. That means in that polynomial there must be how many terms? Yes, there must be a 4 terms, but there are 2 terms. That means this polynomial is not in an index form. Therefore first of all we have to write it in an index form, and then we have to, now see here, index is a 1 and order index is a 1 and the terms are 2, therefore it is in a standard form or it is in an index form. Now but this dividend in index form. Now can anyone tell me the index form? Yes, very simple. It is x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64. Isn't it? 3, 2, 1 and 0. Now we have to do the process of division. Here dividend x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64. Here we have to write x minus 4. Now first of all we have to divide. For that purpose, write down this x cube, only first term. Then divide this with the first term of divisor. First term of divisor is the x. Now for doing division, this x, 1x is given, the answer is x square. All of you got this? See here, x cube, we x into x divided by x, this x get cancelled, x into x, it is x square, isn't it? Or we know the rule, a raised to m divided by a raised to n, then a raised to m minus n. Just now I told you about the multiplication, same thing about the division. If division is there, base is same, then we have to subtract the indices. Here it is 3, here it is 1, 3 minus 1 it is 2. In short, what we have to do, forget about this, we have to write this first term x cube and divide this with the first term, it is x, now x square. Now what we have to do, this x square we have to write at the quotient place. Now this x square is multiplied with this divisor, this x square minus x minus 4, x square into x minus 4. Now do the multiplication of this, it is x cube 2 1, that is 3 minus 4x square. Understand this? Any doubt? Now this x cube minus 4x square we have to write, where the term x cube is there, below that we have to write x cube, and minus 4x square, here it is minus 4x square. We have to change the sign, this plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Now 0x square plus 4x square, it is 4x square plus 0x minus 64. These two terms we have to carry as it is. Any doubt? Take this first term. Now 4x square divide with this x. Now this x get cancelled, this get cancelled, it is 4x. Now multiply this plus 4x, we have to write here 4x. This 4x we write here 4x. Sign plus is there, therefore this is plus sign. Now multiply this 4x with this x minus 4. 4x into x, it is 4x square minus 4 4s are 16x. Dear student, 4x square minus 16x. This we have to write below this 4x square, 0x, below that we have to write minus 16x. Now we have to change the sign, minus, and here it is plus. Plus 4x square minus 4x square 0. Now 0x plus 16x, it is 16x minus 64. This 64 as it is. I think everyone understood this. Very simple, very interesting. Now we have to take this 16x. 16x divide with this the first term, that is x. X get cancelled, it is 16, and that 16 plus 16 we have to write here. Now multiply this 16 with x minus 4. 16x minus 64. 16x minus 64. Here it is minus, here it is plus. 16x minus 16x 0. Minus 64 plus 64, it is 0. Yes student, division process is finished. This is our question and this is our remainder. Any doubt? Very simple. Follow this method, it will be very easy. Now we have to write the final answer. What is dividend? Dividend is x cube minus 64 is equal to divisor. divisor is x minus 4 into what is quotient, x square plus 4x plus 16 plus remainder is a 0. This is our final answer. If we verify, then multiplication of this will be x cube minus 64. I think everyone understood this. Write down this sum. Go through this sum again and again. It is very easy method. Now we have to see the second one. Dear student, we have to learn now the second division. See here. 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4, 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2. This is our dividend and x square minus x is our divisor. Now see here, first of all we have to write the dividend in an index form. For that purpose we have to check whether it is already given or we have to write. For that purpose we have to see the order of this or the degree of this polynomial. Degree of this polynomial is a 5. That means this polynomial must contain 6 terms. But there are how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, one term is missing. And for that one term we have to write it in an index form. Now see, index is 5, 4, 3, 2. That means the term of index 1 is missing. Therefore we have to write here dividend in an index form. It is 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. Now we have to do the division. Here it is 5x raised to 4 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Now see here, x square minus x. This is our divisor. This is dividend. Now what to do? First step, first term, 5x raised to 4 divided with first term of divisor. It is x square. Now see here, x raised to 2, x raised to 2, it is 5x square. Now this 5x square we have to write here. Multiply this 5x square with x square minus x. Now see here, 5 into 1 5, x square into x square, x raised to 4 minus 5 into 1, that is 5, x square into x, that is x cube. We got here 5x raised to 4 minus 5x cube. Therefore 5x raised to 4 Yes student, one mistake is there. 5x to 5 is there. Therefore 5x to, see again we will see here. First term is 5x raised to 5. That we have to multiply with x square. This x square and this x square is get cancelled. It is 5x cube. Therefore the quotient is 5x cube. Now multiply this 5x cube with x square minus x. Now 5 ones are 5, x raised to 3, x raised to 2, x raised to 5 minus 5x raised to 4. 5x cube and here it is x raised to 1, 3, 1, it is 4. Now this 5x raised to 5 minus 5x raised to 4. Here it is minus and here it is plus. This plus 5x raised to 5 minus 5x raised to 5, 0. 4x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 4, it is 9x raised to 4. Write down as it is, minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Now 9x raised to 4. 9x raised to 4 divided by this x square. X square get cancelled, it is 9x square. And this 9x square we have to multiply with this x square minus x. Now 9 x raised to 2, x raised to 2, x raised to 4 minus 9 ones are 9, x 2 plus 1 it is 3. 9x raised to 4 minus 9x cube. 9x raised to 4 minus 9x cube. Minus this minus will become plus. And here we have to write plus 9x raised to 2. Now see here, minus 3x cube plus 9x cube, it is 6x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Now 6x cube. 6x cube divided with this x square. X square it is 6x. Therefore we have to write here plus 6x. Now this 6x we have to multiply with x square minus x. This is x cube minus 6x square. 6x cube minus 6x square. 6x cube minus 6x square. Here it is plus will become minus, minus will become plus. 6x cube minus 6x cube, it is 0. Then here it is 2x square plus 6x square, it is plus 8x square plus 0x plus 2. Again this 8x square divided by this x square. This x square get cancelled, it is 8. Therefore we have to write here plus 8. Now 8 is multiplied with this x square minus x. Now 8x square minus 8x. This 8x square minus 8x. This plus will become minus, minus will become plus. It is 0 plus 0x plus 8x, it is 8x plus 2. Now what we have to do? We have to take out this 8x? No. Dear student, division process is finished. Why? Remainder is not 0. Then why? See here. The index of this 8x, is a 1 and index of our divisor is a 2. It is less than that of this divisor, therefore we did not have to follow the division. We have to, division process is now finished. Got it? Now see here. Index of this is greater than this, therefore we follow up to x square. But now it is 8x. Here it is 8x, index is a 1. And this 1 is less than this 2, therefore we did not have to do the division. The division process is finished. Now what we have to write? We have to write the final answer. We have to write the final answer in the form of dividend into divisor. Dividend is 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2 is equal to, divisor is x square minus x. Quotient is, I write here below, is equal to x square minus x into 5x cube plus 9x square plus 6x plus 8 plus what is remainder, 8x plus 2. Got it? This is our final answer. Dear student, as we see in a multiplication, that is, suppose px is a polynomial and qx is another polynomial. Here degree is 2 and suppose here degree is 3, and if we have to do the multiplication, after multiplication the degree of px into qx is equal to 5. We have to make the addition. Now see dear student, here degree of this dividend is 5, then here it is divisor, it is 2, and quotient is 3. That means 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. That means when we are doing the multiplication, then the degree of the product will be the sum of the degree of these two polynomials. And when we are doing the division, suppose it is like this, px upon qx, then degree is supposed to be 4 and here it is 3. Then what will be the degree of px upon qx? It will be a 4 minus 3, it will be a 1. That means when we are doing the multiplication, then the degree of the product polynomial will be the sum of the degree of two polynomials. And here in division we have to do the subtraction. Here it is 4 minus 3, it will be a 1. In this case it is 5, here it is 2, and the degree of the quotient is 3. Dear student, I explain it very easy way. You have to do the practice of this sum. Write down all this sum in your notebook, and one more thing, that write down or solve the related sum which are in a practice book, which are in a problem set, that you have to write it in your notebook. Try to solve those questions which are related to this sum, which are in a problem set, that you have to write it in your notebook. Thank you.